day 2. It's morning, it's breakfast. And recently I saw someone did a video showing how to make protein pancakes. But they bought a box of shit to make them. Half-ass motherfuckers. Not around here. We do it right. This is all the ingredients you need, ladies and gentlemen. Coconut flour, oatmeal, Mutant whey, of course. Coffee, because I'm fucking thirsty. Eggs, shake cup for measurements, maple, all of these bad boys, and of course a thing of egg whites, which I'm not showing you because I'm gonna get out of the fridge. But we're gonna get this started. Breakfast for 2, Todd and I. Let's get rolling. Boom. I keep it all in here because I gotta do the math. I usually do this myself. So I throw it in my notes. Don't be scared to use your notes, people. There's nothing wrong with making sure you don't fuck up. And don't worry, I moved the growth already, so we don't have to worry about it popping up on camera. It's all good in the hood. Actually, with COVID, it's been a real pain in the ass to get it, but I digress. First things first, egg whites. We need all of them. That's 16 ounces. I'm gonna do 20 total. Let's get another. Back to the growthless fridge. Ain't no growth to be seen in there. I told you, COVID. Let's get it to 20. Boom. Todd fucking opened like 3 of these last trip. I had a bunch of halfers in there. I left them. I'm like, that prick can eat these himself. All right. In the Mutant shaker cup. If you don't have a Mutant shaker cup, it won't work. Right in here into the Ninja. Boom. Then, whole eggs. 1, 2. I sound like 50 Cent. 3, let's go. Oh, sorry. Last night I was sleepy when we were filming. Now I'm fucking on fire, so hope you guys are ready. Boom. We got that going. Now, oats. Everyone knows I don't actually keep oats around, but someone left them here at my house. So, here we go. Throw those bad boys in. We're gonna do a couple cups. Look at shit's going everywhere. A little extra just for shits and giggles. It's an exact measurement of shit and giggle. Very key. Coconut flour. I don't really know what this does, but it's part of my recipe. So 4 of these bad boys. Now you guys can divide by 4 on all this for yourselves, but Todd and I needed 4 servings. So this is 4 servings. Everything you're seeing, divide, people. Divide by 4. If you can't do that, hit your call button. I'll come hit you with a tapping because you're an idiot. Boom, we got that. Now, protein powder. You would usually do a half a scoop. 4 servings. Let's do the math, everyone. Half, 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 half. What's that? 2 scoops. Old-fashioned vanilla. Boom. Now, one fun fact. If you mix this shit the day before and blend it up, it's a little thicker, a little more delish. Now, this is where things get wild with the maple extract. Because I don't fucking know, you just wing it. Yeah, I did that no look, fucking Jordan style. That's good. And what are we missing, ladies and gentlemen? What is the thing that has to go in any dish made by me? Splenda. Boom. You can't reach up into a random box and pull out 10,000 Splenda. You are no friend of mine. Boom. 2 at a time. You know the fucking rules. Don't go getting bold. Oh, I did 4. I'm telling you. I don't really know. I gotta call my friend Elon Musk and ask him, why does it have to be 2? Why can't you do 3 or 4? I don't really know why, but I know it's the case. So we're gonna do a shit ton of these because it seems about right. We're at 4 so far. Here comes 6. We'll do 8. Then we'll add 2 more just why not. Alright, there's 8. Now this is where it gets tricky because if I do 10 and you need to divide by 4, you're gonna have to figure out how to do that. You're gonna have to weigh your Splenda or something. Those of you who have cocaine problems will have the correct scale to do this. Not to say that cocaine is a problem if you've had too much to drink. The night's not ready to end, but if you drink too much, you are. I'm not saying that I know that. I just, Santi told me. Oh, fuck. Sorry, buddy. I heard. You go to Club 11. I thought that was part of the deal, buddy. No? Okay. Anyways, back to my ninja ways. Y'all been questioning if I'm a ninja. I even like do a bodyless flex now, I mean that. I feel good about that. Now I'm just resting, so I'm talking a lot. Better give it another hit, that seems weird. Okay. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, that's runny as fuck. I feel like my recipe's off somehow, and I've lost the damn, there we go. Everything's okay, everything's okay. She said a half cup, five, yeah, we're good. We got a tablespoon, we got 4, Splenda cinnamon. This is too much. It's too, this is where you gotta use your head, people. It's off season. I'll just have some more oats. I don't give a shit. Don't judge me. I think I'll throw in some more coconut flour. Maybe that'll help. Don't judge. Sometimes, listen, you can't have measurements in Gordon Ramsay's world. Right? So, throw that in. We throw this in. Oh yeah, I feel better already. Alright, let's go muck it up. Now we're going to warm the pan, get it ready. Some distribution, pancakes, flip, delicious, coming right up. Upon further review, I've decided that I'm going to double up my coconut flour. So, that's the 6th one. So I've decided, because I like pancakes to be thick. That's 7. Wouldn't you know we're back at the number 8? Does that seem like a coincidence to you? I think not. So coconut flour is your magic. Great value. You know where we get that, right? Walmart, bitch. Cheaper. All you guys are like, oh, I don't go to Walmart. I'm fancy. Bitch, please. Walmart is cheap. Just like me. Oh, you see the thickness? Guys, trust me, ladies like it thick. It's just the key. It's not the length of your batter that matters, it's the thickness. Alright, boom. You don't do it thick, the pool boy will. Just saying. Are we back to that again? My bad. Alright. I don't want any judgment here because the new place, we're getting new pans. These don't match. Whatever. But I like this one. Those are watermarks. It's okay. It's clean, I promise. Where's my spray? There it is. Spray it down. You guys use a dishwasher? And I'm not talking about the woman you live with. I mean the actual machine. I had no idea it took so long for a dishwasher to work. It's like 2 hours. What is happening in there? I mean, I'm like, I come in like an hour, so I thought the fucking thing was broken. Because for the longest time I was a hand washer, but now living alone, I mean, it just started slowly accumulating in the dishwasher. I bought the Cascade, lasts forever also, by the way. Bargain shit. But why does it take so long? And then you gotta wait for like another hour because it stays hot in there to dry everything off, or you got watermarks. Anyways, these are things I gotta talk to my counselor about more than you guys, but whatever, I have the measurement thing for the cocaine. I mean, damn it. Let's focus here. Todd, you're out of control. Look at the thickness here, buddy. Holy shit, now we're super thick. Wow. Yeah. We got a little wild, I think. Boom. Oh, we're beautiful. All right, let's throw some in the pan. We're gonna turn this off for a second because I'm gonna throw a splash of this in there and you guys aren't gonna know because that's too thick. It's a little thick for my liking, Todd. We're not gonna tell them that I made one more adjustment. I like to lie to people. Just better that way. We'll get this for a long blend. Oh, it's fucking thick now, dude. This thing's fighting for its life. Stand by and get some. Now this is a fucking man's pancake. Watch and learn, Todd. Watch and learn. So you get all these things, right? All the spatulas and shit. I only like this one. It's older. I don't know. This works good for me. So we get that rolling. And, you know, this is where the real magic comes into play. Don't tell anybody. A lot of people mix the cinnamon in. I want complete control. I want to know that each pancake gets the cinnamon that it needs. So you chill. Gonna turn it down a hair. Make sure we're in a good place, mentally, physically, spiritually. Nope, not yet. This flip is intimidating because usually I go with a smaller pancake. But with you guys here, it's like adding an extra plate. Gotta impress my friends. Might get injured. Might fuck up the flip. But when it's ready, oh, it'll be fire. This is Todd's pancake. I gotta come through. Todd has been an animal lately on his work. I don't want to fuck up his pancake. This is the start of his day, you know? A real chef doesn't get quite this worked up, but I do. Holy shit, that was amazing. Look at that fucking brown. Oh. Push it in. So like I was saying, this fucking broad makes her pancakes with a boxed pancake setup. And has the audacity to call them home protein pancakes. I sure remember this. I'll bet she does. Alright, Todd. I gotta see the bottom of this real quick. Perfect. Alright, so this pancake's ready to rock. Put it on the plate. Boom, boom. Drop it like it's hot. Now, we're gonna make more of these, but I'm not gonna make you guys watch all that shit. What I'm gonna do is finish it off, let Todd have a bite, and then get back to work, because I got a lot more pancakes to make and I'm fucking starving. Alright, keys to a good pancake: butter, syrup, boom, boom, boom. Now remember, this isn't really calorie free, so don't go too ape shit. Feel good about that distribution. We're going in. I like a lot of syrup. You're not getting out of the box. You're just not. So, you bring the box to me, I'll make you pancakes the next morning. Until next time, follow our lead, making some shit as you go. Breakfast of Champions, not even breaking the diet. Cooking with Dusty, number 2 of the weekend. See you guys soon.